What? He couldn't have done it. Oh. One-handed as well.
That's crazy. I couldn't even move it once with one hand.
That's what she said. Eric will be impressed by this. It must be a special Rubik's Cube. You can't do that normally. Oh!
Wow.
That's ridiculous.
I didn't even know that.
That was like 30 seconds.
20秒吗?
No, it's a real
21 seconds.
Have a look.
21
No,
seconds.
it's less stiff than normal Rubik's.
Yeah, I know, but I can't even solve Rubik.
Oh no. Matt?
I didn't know that it's 21 seconds? I could do it 21 fucking months.
I've got 21. I've got 21 seconds to go. Yeah, I've never finished a Rubik's Cube ever.
I'm like, oh, I can do it. I'm smart. I can do it.
But presumably everyone on this team is like a master.
I'm assuming he's like the best, so I can do it. That's awesome. Yeah, that was crazy.
Class, how they like
I didn't know
just gave us an ad hoc demo. No,
Really?
Eric can do it in like less than a minute.
With 2 hands?
Yeah, with 2 hands.
Really?
Eric trained for months though. When I lived with him, he spent a year training that.
This guy must really be like 16 or something as well.
I'm sure these guys train. Strange hobby. Are you recording right now?
I'm still recording the aftermath.
Yeah, aftershock.